let's play a little game to help us remember the 3 sounds of EA. We're going to do some sorting. All right, remember, EA can say E, or A. What is this word? Let's see if we can figure it out. Set. That does make sense, but I know S-E-T is set, so I don't think that's it. Eat, seat, that could work. Or sate. I definitely think it's seat. All right, let's do the next one. Let's do some sorting. Let's try all 3 sounds. Ed, thread, that makes sense. Eed, threed, or thraid, thread. I definitely think it's thread. All right, let's try the next one. Try all 3 sounds. Help me out. Egg. Does that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense. Eek. Steak. Nope. Try the last one. Steak. Steak. Does that make sense? Yes, steak is correct. Let's try this one. Betch. No. Beach. That makes sense. Beach. No, it's definitely beach. All right, let's try the next one. All right, you try this one and see what you can decide. Where should I put that word? That does make sense if it's met, but I know met is M-E-T, so I don't think that's it. Eat, meat. Good, I think that's it, meat. Mate does make sense, but I know M-A-T-E is mate. All right, let's try this one. Left? No. Leaf? Yes. Leaf? No. Leaf is correct. Try this one. Head? Yes. Heed? Maybe. Heed. I know that H-E-E-D is heed, so I think head is our best choice. How about this one? Bread. That's it. Try the next one. Cream. Like ice cream. Want to try this one? Bed. Bed could work, but I know B-E-D is bed. Try again. Bead. Good. Bead. And bade is not really the right way to say that word. All right, let's try this last one. You try all 3 and you decide where to put this word. Tay. Tea. Very, very good. Keep practicing the 3 sounds of EA.